Hello everyone. Today I am going to see VT Common University Entrance Test MSc Forensic Science Entrance Exam Test Preparation Based MCQ Question. I am Dr. Anshini Kumar. First question is fill in the blanks is the collection, preservation, analysis and presentation of computer related evidence. Answer is computer forensic. Second, computer forensic is the process of mathematically examining computer media for evidence. Next, evidence can be found in electronic mail system, on network server and on individual employees' computer. Computer evidence can be useful in criminal cases, civil dispute and human resources employment proceedings. When expert works on the duplicate data, the integrity of the original is maintained. Computer forensic professionals should be able to successfully perform complex evidence recovery process with the skill and expertise that lends credibility to your cases. Computer forensic professionals should ensure that continuing chain of custody is established and maintained. Slack space is the remnant area at the end of a file in a last assigned disk cluster. Project the subject computer system during the forensic examination from any possible alternation, damage, data corruption, or virus introduction. Computer Forensic Experiment 2000 works with criminal justice professionals to identify urgent and emerging technology needs. NLECTC stands for National Law Enforcement and Corrections Technology Center. CFX 2000 is an integrated forensic analysis framework. The SIFI prototypes user digital evidence bags DBS which are secure and tamper-proof. Tamper-proof contains used to store digital evidence. Computer evidence is fragile and susceptible to alteration or erasure by any number of occurrences. The synthesizing information from forensic investigations SIFI integration environment supports the correction, examination and analysis process employed during a cyber forensic investigation. Setback overcomes some of the evidence weakness inherent in black box computer forensic approaches. Setback is used to create mirror image bitstream backup files of hard disk. Black box computer forensic software tools are good for some basic investigation tasks. SafeBack is used as an evidence preservation tool in law enforcement and civil legislation matters. Any disk is used to identify data storage anomalies on floppy disks. Any disk can be used to copy almost any diskette, including most copy protected diskettes. Shape back image files cannot be altered or modified to alter the reproduction. Text Search Plus is used to quick search hard disk drive, zip disks, and floppy disks for keywords or a specific pattern of text. Net Threat Analyzer can be used to identify past internet browsing and email activity done through a specific computer used as a data sampling tool in law enforcement, military, and corporate investigation. Intelligent forensic filter. Fuji logical tools used to identify unknown text. BAT stand for binary audit identification transfer. DIRT stands for Data Interception by Remote Transmission. DIRT is powerful remote control monitoring tool. BAIT identify unauthorized intruders who access, download, and view these tagged documents. PC Phone Home is a software application that will track and locate a lost or a stolen PC or a laptop anywhere in the world. BAT is a powerful intrusion detection tool that allow user to create trackable electronic document. Thank you for watching video. For more education content, like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel. For any idea, suggestion, and contribution, contact me with email, WhatsApp, or Telegram. For more educational content, visit our Telegram channel.